One way to make a computer game feel unique is by allowing players to customize their character. Over the past month, I've been building a fresh player character system, complete with customizable colours. Giving players control over how they look in-game not only enhances immersion, but also builds a stronger integration between the player and the world. So first off is the player design. Design choices play a huge role in influencing the feel of the game. For example, designing the character sprite to be large can make the player feel as if they are stronger than the environment's dangers, but in contrast, a small character size makes the player feel the surrounding dangers significantly more imposing. As I mentioned in my last devlog video, my game will have emphasis on a fire theme, leading to the design I settled on. This design also synergizes with the ghostly, slightly mysterious atmosphere that I'm attempting to build throughout the world. The player isn't just another pixel art asset, they're a presence, a being of fire and energy wrapped in a hooded cloak. I wanted the visual identity to immediately communicate that this character doesn't quite belong in the material world, and yet they're undeniably part of it. Up until now, I've been using two placeholders. One of them was a quick sketch I threw together early on, useful but not detailed enough to fit the final version, and the other was borrowed from an asset pack, which was always meant to be temporary. So I'll just rip them out of the game now. First, I need to copy over the script, and then I need to update the scene tree reference to match with the new player. This is the character creator menu I came up with. It's separated from the world creator for some extra visual simplicity. The given options are cloak color, cloak outline, which can be tied to the user interface, body color, body shape, eye style, and a toggle button to connect user interface theming. It works by splitting the player down into its different parts and then signaling to these assets to change depending on what the index of the drop-down menus are. I can then save these variables and then reapply them whenever the player loads into the world. Having the option to change the user interface makes everything feel more tailored to the experience. It gives the player a sense of control and polish that really brings the whole game together. I wanted the UI to feel modern and minimal, so I drew inspiration from systems like macOS's frosted glass effect and the acrylic blur found in Windows. Both give a soft, layered look that adds depth without overwhelming the visuals. To achieve this effect, I used a custom shader with a panel sitting behind every UI element that grabs the screen texture and subtly distorts it. So that wraps up everything I've been working on for this devlog. Please subscribe to my channel to support me. It's free and you'll be informed of any updates in this series and projects that I may be making. You may have noticed that I have changed out the water in this video, and that's because I plan to do an entire devlog of just making my game visually pop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.